In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free API keys for AI models. I'll be showing you several websites that let you generate free API keys and access a wide range of AI models without paying anything. So let's get started. The first website is NVIDIA Build. On this site, click the Explore button and you'll see a ton of different AI models. But first, let's click Manage API Keys. Here, you can generate your API key, and down here, you'll see all of your generated API keys. So you can delete one if you don't want it anymore. Now let's head back to the Explore tab. If you want a model-specific API key, then tap on View All, and you'll see all the AI models in this list. These are all open source, so you can get their API keys completely free. For now, let's click Minimax M3. Here you'll find the code in different languages that you need to run the model, along with the model's API information. Next up, we have Ollama. Ollama is giving away their cloud API keys for free. They have models like GLM 5.2, Kimi K2, Gemma 4, and many more. You first need to download Ollama and run it in CMD or terminal. After that, click Create API Key, then give it a name and click Generate API Key. You can then select any model and find the code you need to run it. Next up, we have Groq. Here inside the playground, you'll see a ton of different models along with their code. Now to authenticate with an API key, click on API Keys, then tap Create API Key. Give it a name and submit. You'll then get your API key. Next up, we have GitHub Models. They have a full catalog of different AI models. You can click on any one you like, then click Use this model. Click Create Personal Access Token, scroll all the way down, and click Generate Token. Then click Generate Token again to get your API key. Next, we have Google AI Studio. Google has a vast catalog of AI models for images, videos, speech, and music. To get your API key, click on the dashboard here and select Create API Key. Give your API key a name and click Create Key. Next, we have OpenRouter. To get an API key here, click Get API Key. Then tap on New Key, give it a name, and click Create. Then tap on Models and arrange them like this. Here you need to look for the models that are priced at $0. For example, Tencent Hunyuan 3. Now to use any model, just open it and click Quick Start. You'll then find the code that you need to run the model in different languages. Inside the OpenRouter API Key section, you need to paste your API key. Lastly, we have Cloudflare Workers. Here you need to click AI and select Models. You'll then find a ton of different models to choose from. Let's pick GPT-5, 6, Luna. You can then find the code to run the model along with an API token. Click Generate API Token, give it a name, and click Create API Token. So this is how you can get free API keys for AI models. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.